Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ibrahim over here from channel Teaching by SM. Today we'll be discussing Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics 0580 Paper 4 Algebra component. And as you all know, my intention of making these videos is that for the first 6 months, whatever revenue will be generated, it will be donated to the Palestinian people. So I request all the viewers to kindly support our cause and subscribe our channel. Jazakumullah khairan. Question number 46, we have two figures. One is a rectangle and one is a square. We can see by the dimensions given in the diagram as well. The thing is, the area of the rectangle is 29 centimeters square, greater than the area of the square. Area of rectangle is 29 centimeters square, greater than the area of the square. So it means that x minus 1 into 2x plus 1, that is the area of the rectangle, is equals to area of the square, that is x square, plus 29, right? Since the question says the area of the rectangle is 29 centimeters square, greater than the area of the square, right? Okay, so the difference between the perimeters of the two shapes is k. Difference between the perimeter, this is one statement, right? The difference between the perimeters of the two shapes is k. So the perimeter, it means that perimeter will be equal to 2x plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into x minus 1. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. That will be 4x plus 2 plus 2x minus 2. So that is 4x plus 2x is 6x. 2 cancels. This is the perimeter of the rectangle, and the perimeter of square is 4x, x plus x plus x plus x, sum of all sides, right? So 6x minus 4x is equals to k, which we need to find out. Now to solve for k, we need to first take out the value of x, which we can find it out by the first expression, that is this part, right? So solving this, 2x square plus x minus 2x minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 is equals to x square plus 29, right? Now 2x square minus x square, x minus 2x is minus x, minus 1, 29 goes over here, so that will be minus 29 is equals to 0. Clear? So 2x square minus x square is x square minus x and minus 30 is equals to 0. So till here we have solved. Now we can see that it's a quadratic equation, and quadratic equation can be solved using, sometimes we can use middle term breaking. So first we will see for the middle term as well, and then if we cannot solve it by middle term breaking, we will be using quadratic formula. So minus 30 means the 30 factor is mainly 6 into 5. Yes, and 6 into 5 can be applied over here. X square, middle, the number with minus sign should be kept the bigger one, that is minus 6x plus 5x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 plus 5 x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 6, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 5. Now since this x is basically the part of the length, so we cannot take it as negative, right? So it will be positive. So using 6, this value of x, that is 6 over here, to find out the difference. So 6 into 6 minus 4 into 6 is equals to k. 6 6 are 36 minus 4 6 are 24, which is equals to k, right? So 36 minus 24 is the will be the value of k, that is 12. So k is equals to 12. Am I clear? Okay, part B. We have two different cubes the volume of the larger cube is 5 centimeter cube greater than the volume of the smaller cube. Volume of the larger cube. Now volume of the larger cube will be y plus 1 into y plus 1 into y plus 1, and the volume of the larger cube is 5 centimeter cube greater than the volume of the smaller cube, that is y cube plus 5. I hope that's clear. Okay, so here we have to solve this out to show this. So that will be y square plus y plus 1 into y plus 1 equals to y cube plus 5. So that will be y square plus 2y plus 1 into y plus 1 is equals to y cube plus 5. So now we have to multiply these two brackets. So definitely 6 terms will be coming out of it. So y cube plus y square, then 2y square plus 2y plus y plus 1 is equals to y cube plus 5. Right? Now y cube and y cube gets cancelled. 2y square plus 2y square is 3y square. 2y plus 2y is 3y. And 1 minus 5 will be minus 4. I hope that is the required equation which was desired in the question. Clear? Okay, find the volume of the smaller cube. Smaller cube volume is y cube. This, right? This is y cube plus 5 and the smaller cube is y cube. We want to find out basically this part, y cube. So in order to find y cube, I need to know the value of y, which we are unknown of, right? So working for that, 3y square plus 3y minus 4. So 4 3 is 12. 12 factor is 2 into 6, 4 into 3, 12 into 1. So if we see 2 minus 6 and 2 plus 6, no. 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3, no. 12. There are no combination which is making it breaking it into middle terms. So we will be applying the formula of quadratic formula. X is equals to, the y is the variable, unknown variable, so y minus b minus 3 plus minus b square means 3 square minus 4 is 3 and c is minus 4 upon 2 is 3. That will be minus 3 plus minus 9 and plus 4 is 12, 12 4 is 48 upon 2 is 6. So minus 3 plus minus 48 plus 9 is 57 upon 6. Now since we will be having two answers, so using calculator, minus 3 plus root 57 upon 6 minus 3 plus root 57 divided by 6, we have 0.76, and minus 3 minus root 57 divided by 6, we have minus 1.76. So 0.76 positive will be the answer which we will be using to calculate the volume of smaller cube, so which is equals to y, right? So y is equals to 0.76 multiplied by cube, basically cube it up so that we can calculate the answer, that is 0.44 by calculating. Okay, question number 47. We have 10 minus 3p is equals to 3 plus 11p. Solving this, So 10, 3 over goes over here, minus 3p over here. 10 minus 3 is equals to 11 plus 3. 11p plus 3p. 10 minus 3 is 7. 11 plus 3p is 14p. So p is equals to 7 upon 14, which is equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, make m the subject of the formula. When we have to make any variable subject, we should move the terms having that variable on one side and the other on the other side. So mc square minus mg, mg goes over there, minus 2k comes over here, positive becomes positive. Now taking m common, so that will be c square minus g is equals to 2k. So m is equals to 2k upon c square minus g. Part C, solve. We have an equation. Taking LCM first, x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. So x minus 3 gets cancelled with this, so 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 gets cancelled with this. We have 4 into x minus 3. So 2x plus 3 plus 4x minus 12 is equals to this. These both terms go over there. So x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. So x plus 4x is 6x plus 3 minus 12 is minus 9. Here we have 2x square plus 3x minus 3 to 6x minus 3 to 3 is minus 9. So minus 9 minus 10 gets cancelled. We have 2x square, 3x minus 6x is minus 3x. This 6x goes over there. That will be minus 6x is equals to 0. So we have 2x square minus 9x is equals to 0. So 2x square is equals to 9x. X square gets cancelled with x. 2x is equals to 9. So we have the answer, x is equals to 9 upon 2, right? And the other one is 0. Since we cancel it over here, the other one is 0. Okay. In order to get 0, we can do another option, that when we took common, we can take it common here. So 2x square minus 9x is equals to 0. X taken common. 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. So here x is equals to 0 and 2x minus 9 is equals to 0. So x is 9 upon 2. Okay. Question number 47, part D. We have over here a simultaneous equation. You have to show the working. Here x is equals to 12 minus 2y. From the first equation I took x subject, substituting in this, so it will be 12 minus 2y as x, I put it over here, plus y square is equals to 39. Now 5 into 12 is 60, minus 5 into 2y is 10y, plus y square is equals to 39. Y square minus 10y plus 60, and 39 comes over here to be minus 39 is equals to 0. So y square minus 10y, 60 minus 39 will give me 60 minus 39 is 21. Okay, now 21 into 1 is 21. I have to see the factors, and the best factor which comes in minus 3 into 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so y square minus 3y minus 7y. If I am adding it up, it is adding up to minus 10y. If I multiply minus 3y and minus 10y, it will be 21y square positive. That is which is required, right? So y common, y minus 3, minus 7 common, y minus 3. So y minus 3, y minus 7. So it means that y is equals to 3 and y is equals to 7. Now taking the values of x, take out the values of x. So x plus 2y is equals to 12. 1 is y is equals to 3. So x plus 2 into 3 is equals to 12. So x is equals to 12, 2 3 is 6, goes over there, minus 6, x is equals to 6. Common value is 6. Other is x plus 2y again is equals to 12. Again placing the other value, that is 7. X plus 2 into 7 is equals to 12. 2 7s are 14, 14 goes over there, 12 minus 14 minus 2. Clear? Part E. We have three terms, expand and simplify. First multiply the first two brackets, 2x into x is 2x square plus 12x minus 3x minus 18 into x minus 4. That will be 2x square, 12 minus 3 is 9x minus 18 x minus 4. Now multiply these two brackets. Let us shrink the steps so that we can have the whole answer over here. Now 2x square into x, that will be 2x cube minus 2x square into 4 is 8x square plus 9x into x is 9x square minus 9x into 4 is 36x minus 18 into x is 18x plus 18 into 4 is 72. So 2x cube minus 8x square plus 9x square will be plus x square minus 36 minus 18, adding both 54 minus 54x plus 72 is the answer. Since it's an expression, so we can simplify it till here, right? Okay. Question number 48, a minus 2b minus 3a plus 7b. A minus 3a is minus 2a, minus 2b plus 7b is plus 5b. Second, 4 into x minus expand and simplify. So 4x minus 20 minus 3 minus plus 2x. 4x plus 2x is 6x, minus 20 minus 3 is minus 23. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Taking LCM, x minus 5, 2x. X minus 5 gets cancelled to x minus 5, 3 into 2x minus 2x gets cancelled with 2x. So minus 7 into x minus 5. 3 into x is 6x minus 7x plus 35 upon x minus 5 2x. So 6x minus 7x is minus x, so 35 minus x. Okay, and in the denominator we have 2x into x minus 5, right? So if I multiply it, it will be 2x square minus 5 into 2 is 10x, right? 35 minus x upon 2x square minus 10x, that is the answer. 3 parts done. Part D. 13 minus 4x upon 3 0 6 minus x, solve. So 13 minus 4x, 3 multiplied with this, 3 into 6 is 18 minus 3 into x is 3x. 13, 18 comes over here, it will be minus 18. 4x goes over there, it will be plus 4x. 13 minus 18 is minus 5. 4x minus 3x is x. So x is equal to minus 5. Make x the subject of the formula. We have to first cross multiply x into y, and 5 into p is 5p minus 5 into 2x is 10x. We have to make x the subject, right? So minus 10x will be moved over there, it will be plus 10x. Okay, now x we can take as common, it will be y plus 10. So x is equals to 5p upon y plus 10. Clear? Question number 49. A has coordinates minus 2, 7, B has coordinates 1, minus 5, C has coordinates 5, 4. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line A and B. A coordinate is this, B is this. So midpoint is, formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So my x1 is minus 2, x2 is 1 upon 2, y1 is 7 and y2 is minus 5 1 2. So minus 2 plus 1 upon 2 is, here I'm answering it, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon 2, and 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1. So midpoint is minus 1 upon 2 comma 1. Find AC vector. AC vector. So it's AC means C minus A. C minus A means 5 4 minus 2 7. 5 minus 2, it means 5 plus 2 7, and 4 minus 7 is minus 3, right? Find AC magnitude means that x square plus y square, right? So just putting it in calculator, we have root of 7 square minus 3 square, that is 7.615, right? Find the equation of the line AB and give your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Now we have to find the equation, and for equation we need 2 points, that is m and c, right? We have two coordinates, minus 2 comma 7 and b is 1 comma 5. So first I will be taking out the gradient, right? So gradient is minus 2 comma 7 is a, and b is 1 comma minus 5. So for gradient y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 5 minus 7, y2 minus y1 upon x2, x2 is 1, x1 minus and minus 2, that is plus 2. So minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12 upon 3, which is equals to minus 4. So m is minus 4. Now put one coordinate in y is equal to mx plus c to get the value of y-intercept, that is c. So y, I'm taking one coordinate, one point, that is for example minus 2 comma 7. So y is 7, m is minus 4, x is minus 2 plus c. 7 is equals to minus 4 into minus 2 is positive 8 plus c. C is equal to 7 minus 8 minus 1, right? C is equals to minus 1. So we have got c, we have got m. So y is equals to, m is minus 4, x and c is minus 1. Y is equals to minus 4x minus 1. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to AB that passes through C. Passes through C means C coordinate is 5 comma 4, and perpendicular to AB, that means that the gradient of line AB is minus 4. So it should be m2 is equals to minus 1 upon minus 4, that is 1 upon 4, right? Because the relation of two perpendicular line is the gradient relation, m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. When I substituted m1 minus 4, so it will be m2 is equals to minus 1 upon minus 4, minus minus cancels, 1 upon 4. Gradient is 1 upon 4, and the point through which this line is passing is C, right? That is 5 comma 4. So again putting the value to take out the y-intercept. So y is 4, gradient is 1 upon 4, x is 5 plus c. So 4 is equals to 5 upon 4 plus c. C is equals to 4 minus 5 upon 4, 16. 16 minus 5 is 4 minus 5 upon 4 is 11 upon 4. Right, now I have got the y-intercept for this line, which is perpendicular to line AB, right? So now y is equals to m gradient, that is 1 upon 4, x c is 11 upon 4, right? So 4y is equals to x plus 11, right? That is the required equation. Okay, the graphs of y plus 5x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 2x squared plus 6x minus 13 intersects at points P and Q. Find the coordinates of P and coordinates of Q. So y plus 5x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 2x square plus 6x minus 13. If I make the subject y in this case, so 8 minus 5x. So both are meeting, so we can compare them up. Since y is equals to 8 minus 5x and y is equals to 2x square plus 6x minus 13. Solve it out to take out the value of x. So 2x square plus 6x plus 5x minus 13 minus 8. 2x square, 6x plus 5x is 11x minus 13 minus 8 minus 21, right, is equals to 0. Now we have to work on it to take out the value of x. Applying the quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b is 11 plus minus b square, it means 11 square minus 4, a is 2, c is minus 21 upon 2, a is 2. So minus 11 plus minus 11 square is 121 plus 4 to the 8 multiplied by 21, we have 168, right, upon 4, 2 to the 4. So now for first value, that is minus 11 plus root 121 plus 168 divided by 4, we are getting 3 upon 2. And the other value, minus 11 minus root 121 plus 168 divided by 4, we are getting minus 7. So the value of x is minus 7. Now putting the value of x in this first equation to take out the value of y. So first putting 3 upon 2, so x is equals to 3 upon 2. So y, 5 3 is 15, 15 upon 2 is equals to 8. Y is equals to 8 minus 15 upon 2. That will be 16 minus 15, 1 upon 2. Right? Second, y is equals to y plus 5, x is now minus 7, right, is equals to 8. So y, 5 into 7 is minus 35 is equals to 8. Y is equals to 8 plus 35, which is equals to 43. Right, so the two answers are of x and y are obtained. So for when x is equals to 3 upon 2, y is equals to 1 upon 2. And when x is equals to minus 7, y is equals to 43. That's all for question number 49. Right. The last question for question number 50, we have write down the inequality shown by the number line. We can see that there is an open square not shaded, x is greater than minus 2, and the other circle shaded, that is less than equals to 4. Part B, we have to solve the inequality. Two parts are there. So minus 3 less than equals to 2x plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 goes over there, minus 3 less than equals to 2x. So that will be 2x is greater than equals to minus 6. X is greater than equals to minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3. Second part, we have 2x plus 3 is less than 9. 2x is less than 9 minus 3 is 6. X is less than 6 upon 2 is 3. So we have the answer, x is greater than equals to minus 3 and less than 3. Write down all the integer values of x that satisfy the inequality. Greater than equals to minus 3 means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. The second 3 will not be included as we don't have an inequality sign over here. Right? Part C, solve the equations. Okay, taking LCM first. So 5 3s are 15 into 3 minus x, as there is no number in denominator. Okay, minus 5 came as it is equals to 1. Okay, now 5 multiplies with 1, so 15 into 3 is 45, and 15 into x is 15x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 is equals to 5. So minus 15 minus 2 is minus 17x, 45 minus 4 is 41 equals to 5. So minus 17 x, 41 goes over there, 5 minus 41 minus 17x is equals to 5 minus 41 is equals to minus 36. So x is equals to minus 36 upon minus 17. So it is 36 upon 17. Okay, second part, cross multiply first. 5 into x plus 5, 3 into x plus 3. 5x plus 25 is equals to 3x plus 9. 3x goes over there, 25 comes over here. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 9 minus 25 is minus 16. X is equals to minus 16 upon 2 minus 8. That was all about this video. I hope everybody understood all the questions, and looking forward for more videos inshallah. Jazakumullah khair.